Watch this, Sanders.
Damn.
What the fuck was that? That was pretty nice. I was like, it's like a gorilla slurped up a bug or some shit. Just inhaled a bug.
Oh my god.
It tasted nice.
Oh.
Dude, I still feel it burning down there.
Oh, that sucks. Son.
No, it feels nice though.
What? Eating the...
It's in there. In there.
The smoke is going up. It's like an infinite high.
Tell him I wasn't as enthusiastic as him. She couldn't find her keys and she was distracted.
That's what she said.
Yeah. I'll just be like, that's what she said.
That's what she said.
Tell him sorry I was as enthusiastic as him. I couldn't find my keys and I was distracted. That's what she said. So imagine if a girl was like, I was as enthusiastic as you. I couldn't find my shit.
I wasn't high enough.
Look at this nigga.
Fucking that dog.
Old man.
What the fuck is he doing? Yo, I'm pissed.
He got
that you
old
don't
timers. The dog gotta remind him where to go.
There's no fucking. Yo, we gotta go toss that football.
Wait, where's the football,
No,
dude?
let's sit.
We gotta look for it. It's under a car.
Dude, once you get out of the car, you have to videotape this air going out. Because look how much smoke there is back there.
Alright, how about you get out the car and record it? Go, go, go.
No, I'm inhaling it all.